Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Facebook keep stopping problem in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, update your Facebook. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search your Facebook. Here you check your Facebook update or not. If your Facebook already updated, then go back. Open your settings. Go to the apps. Search your Facebook. Press on force stop. Press on force stop. Press on storage. Press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this note carefully. Then press on OK. Then go back. Open your permission. Here you should enable all permission, camera, contacts, location. You should enable all permissions. Then go back. Press on data usage. You should enable all this option: mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data and roaming data. Then restart your mobile, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix Facebook keep stopping problem in Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.